Okay, so this has been always troubling me as well, as I'm sure it does to all of you who are watching this video. So how do you add a curve point to a curve? So the way you do that, actually, it's you go Control Vertex, you add curve point here, right click, and you go to curve point on the north, and you just click anywhere you like, and you have that dot. Now, if you do anything else, you try to go right click and do something and whatever in the menu on the hand, it will be lost. What actually you have to do is go in curves menu here and go insert knot, and it will insert the knot, which you cannot see right now. So all you have to do is be careful, you have to be very precise. Above the line, right click, control vertex, and there you are. You have the line that you can now additionally pinpoint here to control this curve however you like it. And if you want another one, we can go just deselect like that to be green again, and right click, control vertex, we click somewhere here. Oh, you see how easy it's to miss the curve, which is a bit nerve-wracking, but it is what it is. So control vertex and curve point, you click it once more and you go with insert knot here. Let's see if I can add here a shortcut menu. So control and shift to do that, and you'll have the custom icon here, so you can just quick select instead of going to the menu and all that. So curve point, yeah, works as a charm. So there you go, that's it.